guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys an unboxing and review of another personalized planner. So I've got this from the Messy Corner, and along with this I got a couple of freebies. So I've got this very nice ombre effect 2023 notebook. It's like a mini notebook, so I can carry it around. It's from the Messy Corner. I really like the minimal aesthetics over here. Then I've got this very cute coin pouch, or like an accessory pouch. Again, I really like this very pretty plummy color. And then lastly, I've actually got Work Hard, Travel Harder. I believe it's a passport cover, and it's in this very pretty dusty orange color. So this is how it looks. Again, the Messy Corner initials are over here. It's a very nice, good quality, affordable passport cover. So of course you can get a couple of different colors in this in case you want to purchase. And here I have the planner. I'm so excited because it's a personalized planner. It has my name written on it. So let's unbox. So I really like the minimal packaging, plus at the same time it's so aesthetics. All of these like symbols or emojis, whatever you want to call, are so quirky. So I'm not going to open it up, or maybe I should open it up, or I should just slide it. Okay, let's just open it. Oh wow, I really like the kind of aesthetics that they have. It's like, I don't know why the pastels and all, they just give me like this very beautiful vibe. So we're gonna take off this wrapping paper, and here we have the box. It's basically to a new beginning, handle with care. And oh wow, heart-shaped cutout, and it says self-love every day, love, affirmation, smiles, care, hugs. That's very nice. So I love the packaging and the kind of thoughts they've put into just the cardboard of this planner. Now let's unbox. I am so excited. Wow, I can already see my name. Okay, so it says this package is happy to see you too. Of course there's a little note, and yeah, it's pretty cute. So let's start with the planner, which is of course the main reason. I am so excited for 2023 planner reviews, and getting a personalized planner, it's such a different feeling. The entire planner is now curated, and this heart, oh, I'm definitely gonna keep this box, of course. Show up for yourself. Okay, there's so much positive vibes and self-confidence. I love it already. And I probably will cut out this part because I love this heart cutout over here. So this is the 2023 planner. This one is celebrating you. So basically self-love, self-acceptance, confidence, and it's personalized. Oh wow, I really like this self-love baby giving you boss vibes. So let me just remove it. Okay, I love these gold spirals. I don't know why lately I have been digging so much in spiral, spiral bounded planners. So yeah, this has my name engraved on it. It says Himani, and it's a golden foiled one, you can see. So the quality is very nice. It's quite a thick planner, and oh, they actually have dividers, so that's great. Okay. So if you can see, the build quality is really nice. Now, of course, in this layout, there are a couple of different layouts that you can choose from. They have a lot of pretty aesthetic ones. I love the color scheme. I am digging lilac lately, so I'm so glad that I've got this, lilac based sort of a planner. And of course, the gold foiling with my personalization is definitely screaming right now to me. And it's like, okay, this is going to be my 2023 planner. But of course, planners, it's not just about the aesthetics, it's also about the contents and everything that is inside. So let's review it, and let's see what do we have in the Messy Corner's personalized planner. So as soon as you open, you have the name page, whoever this planner belongs to. And then once you go ahead, of course, you have a little letter. I really like the checkered going on over here. It's not something that every other planner does. They usually have like plain pages, but I really like these checkered or box going on. So of course, this planner is entirely about celebrating yourself, self-love, self-awareness, self-confidence, acceptance. And there's literally a page dedicated to it, that how this planner is going to help you achieve that. First we have is get to know yourself. It's sort of like a Venn diagram sort of a thing happening over here. So there is comfort food, places that you like to go, my playlist, my comfort books. So it's basically like to know yourself. It's more like you're digging your own thoughts and your own likings over here. And plus each and every page has got this description, so that's great. Oh, there are already stickers. I am loving this. So these are the highlights of the year. So basically throughout the year you can get just a gist. What are you expecting in the month? It's quite minimal. It's not that spacious, I would say, but then because they've just meant it like a highlight of the year, then it's fine. Now we've got a couple of stickers running. I am so happy. Oh, they have included a Indian flag. That's actually, you know what, I have never seen such a thing from any planner, especially here in India. Like, I've never seen a flag or a flag post. This is something that, you know, we can use on Independence Day, Republic Day. I mean, I just noticed it, and it's really nice that they've, you know, personalized it. That means that they've put in so much thought behind it. Work from home, hustle, I mean, everything screams me vacation. Okay, then we have got another page of stickers with a lot of like phone calls, video calls, meetings, busy day, coffee mugs, travel, balloon, really like it. Also there's a birthday cake. Then there is more stickers. Now we have the everyday stickers: weekend meeting, reminder, birthday, perfect day, important date night, shopping. Oh, there's the self-care day, like I'm enough. So these stickers are pretty good, I must say. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4 pages of stickers, which is not bad. I mean, I really like the different kind of stickers they've tried to include. It's not something that you would find in every planner. The first page that you have post stickers is days to remember. So basically if there's any specific days, there's event. So this is great for people who want to, you know, look at all the events together and not like, you know, go to the month and then look at. But yeah, this is a great add-on. Next is your vision board, of course. Now I've seen in other planners, there was another planner that I reviewed. The vision board was big, but this is quite small and to the mark, so that's great. So you can only prioritize the things that you actually want in your vision board. Then you've got the goals. I love how they have divided the goals. There's personal goals, health goals, lifestyle goals, professional goals, and relationship goals. This is like a complete package of goals because everybody has some sort of a goals in all of these categories. So instead of creating a page just writing all the goals, we have created all of these sections. So that's really nice. And of course, you should go through the entire brief that they've given so that it's more easier for you to write down. You've got a glance of 2023 and 2024. I always like it when they mention both the year's calendars. After that, we've got a travel bucket list. Okay, this is a very nice innovative one. So this is basically like a plain window that they've written, and you can write in your travel bucket list. And then here is to a new experience. So this is something very interesting that I've not seen in any planner as of now. Basically like new cuisines to try, things to do, places to visit. This is like a resolution or some sort of things that we always decide before the year starts. And this page is dedicated to that. Then we have a fitness tracker. Okay, like people like me really need it. So I love the layout, this dumbbell going on. Oh my god, so that's the best. I mean, if you're someone who's looking for a complete packaged planner, this one is to go for because it literally has self-love, fitness tracking, things to try, vacation planning, like everything is already included, and it's not even like, you know, half of the planner. So that's great. Then there's a self-care bingo. I love playing bingo, but forget about that bingo. This is so like interesting. Just look at the contents. Okay, buy yourself gifts, put on a face mask, log out of social media, stretch, sit in the sun, listen to 90s Bollywood. Oh my god, this is something so unique that I've not seen anywhere else. So yeah, if you're looking for something very different from the regular planners, you should definitely try this one because I've never seen a self-care bingo concept. And all of this is like so relatable to us. Mostly, you know, we believe in the planners of, you know, how the Japanese people do it or how the Western or the American girls do it. But this one is like, you know, it's so close to us because Bollywood songs, things are so relatable. So I really like this one. Go fruit shopping. Okay, that's interesting. And of course, they've given 3 different blank ones so that we can add our own. I'll probably add shopping more. Okay, so now they've got the month starting. So here you can see there's a tab or a divider, whatever you want to call, with January. And then here there is, of course, the Space Girl. I feel like they've put in so much work in designing all the calendars as well. So let me just pull out February and you'll be able to see, yes, it's so much about self-love, self-positivity. So they've put in a lot of thought behind this planner. So there's the month of January with a little quote, gratefulness and all of those things. So this is the layout of your monthly layout. And another thing that I haven't seen in most of the planners that I've reviewed, names of the festivals. I've seen a couple of planners mentioning the Western festivals, which are like common, but they've not mentioned like Makar Sankranti, Pongal and all of those. So that's a great initiative by them, I must say. You've got a monthly, like your previous year, a previous month and the next month calendar brief as well. Note section is limited. I like it. It's quite simple. Also, I just noticed the page difference. So this page is different and this page is different. I think it's maybe because of the tab. But yeah, I just noticed that. So here there's always some sort of a, motivation given. Slowing down doesn't mean stopping. So yeah, you should always take a rest before hopping next. So you've got the habit tracking for the month of January. Again, you can divide it and track it accordingly. Affirmations of the month, goals for January. So again, you've got a goal section for like monthly goal section. And yeah, the habit tracking is going across. Budget planning, I found the budget planner to be a little limited. I would want something that is more contextual based than this small thing. But yeah, if you're someone who's not that much into budgeting, then this is okay for you. And there's also a master plan. Then we've got your weekly layout, daily layout, whatever you want to call. So you've got your brief. You can just write over here everything. I really like it. It's spacious. You've got a space for writing your gratitude. So it's great. You don't need anything apart from this. Aap roz yahan pe likh sakte ho. And there's a water intake tracker. That's again great. I think there's about 10 liters or something. So yeah, it's really nice, very nice. And then at the end you have your weekly review, like how you felt. Did you felt amazing, blah, what, and then summary of the week. So that's nice. I mean, I really like the minimal layout that they have. So you have the same thing going on throughout the month. And then you have notes and doodles. Okay, you've got a page for notes and doodles. Then you've got January reflections. Yes, thank God they've not ended the month like this. There's a page of reflections, things to do, like keep doing, start doing, stop doing. That's great because every month you've got so much to learn. They've broken it down very well. Things you're grateful for. And then there's January reflections on challenges and lessons and to accomplish. Then there's also how would you rate. So this is something that I've seen in other planners and it's good. Like I really like the ombre effect going on as well. Self-love, happiness, health, relationship, digital detox, finance, and the notes for the next month. So yeah, like if you see the monthly layouts or the monthly breakdown, it's pretty nice. It's spacious. It's include everything from your goals, gratefulness, reflections, habit tracking, water intake, all of those are included. So that's nice. I like the monthly layout as well. The major selling point that I really liked are the way they've marked down the festivals and all. Next comes the month of February. Again, you'll be having the same layout with the same reflections page. So I'm just going to share with you guys these cover pages so that you get to know more idea. And the best part are these tabs, so you can just easily, flip. Again, they've mentioned all the festivals, so that's great. Next we have is March. So March is again, I love these aesthetics. I'm sure they would have, hired an artist. So they might be having an in-house artist who will be personalizing or designing these things. So that's nice. This is the March layout. Then we have the April layout. Then we have the May layout. Then we have the June layout. June is, by the way, my birthday month. So that's exciting. So this is the layout of the June. Then we have July layout. I feel like it's also kind of resonating to your zodiac signs, if I'm not wrong, like Leo, Gemini, because I did see in the May that there was like a twin thing. So maybe they've like kind of put in that thought as well. So yeah, that like they've put in so much work behind this planner. Then we've got August. Then September layout. This is the October layout. Yeah, see, this is the Scorpio one. So yeah, they've actually put in that thought. Then we've got November. And lastly, we've got the December layout. So all the layouts are really beautiful, I must say. So let's see what is there. So you've got the December reflections page, and there's a note from 2023. So again, you've got the space to write in the notes, and then there's a hello 2024 page. So apart from the things that I've already mentioned, there's nothing extra that you get like study related. I think there are other planners which are dedicated to study planners and all. So that's there. So here there are resolutions for 2024. So you can already start planning for 2024 in this. Like it says, it's never too late. And there is a closure. Again, I love this checkered, boxes going on. I really like it. So overall, this planner is very nice. A lot of thoughts that have gone into this. It's great for everyday planning, mini budgeting, sorting your vacations, sorting your self-care, self-love. And also you get like a complete gist of the year. So that way it's a great planner. It's a hardcover planner, personalizable. So highly recommend you guys to check it out. Overall, I really like this planner. I would say it's great for a complete planner that you're looking out for if you are a working person, if you are in college. It's not more like a student-oriented planner. That's why I really like it. Anybody can use it. I love the vibe and the positive message it sends out. So that is great. Now, if you want a special offer on this planner, you can use the coupon code which I'll be putting up on the screen and get yourself some extra discount and get yourself as well a personalized planner. I'm kind of drawing towards this planner to become my 2023 because of course it's got my name on it. So of course this one should be. I love the aesthetics, gold spirals, and this very pretty lilac theme going on. And this planner screams self-love, acceptance, and that's what the world is going to be about. That's what you should be about, and that's how you can achieve everything much more better way when you start accepting yourself and loving yourself. So along with this, there were also free goodies. So I'm really looking forward to use them as well. So this was the video, guys. I hope you all liked it and found it helpful. I'll link this below, so do not forget to check it out. You can also use my coupon code as well to get some extra discounts. It's not an affiliate code, so I won't be making any extra money. But yeah, it's just there to help you out. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.